How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be making a delicious pasta dish. However, I'm going to be utilizing a slightly controversial ingredient. Well, controversial to most people. I'm talking about sardines. Alright, so before everybody gets all upset and comes at me like, look, just chill. I get it. I was right where you were. I was an avid hater of sardines. Never tried them, but always thought, yeah, yuck. But I came to find out later on that if properly utilized, can make delicious dishes. Not only that, but sardines are actually have a lot of good nutrients to them, and they're pretty good. And I encourage you to trust me now as we go on this pasta journey. Let me show you how we do it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is toast about 1/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. Just going to slowly and lightly toast them. Okay, so we've turned off the heat. We're just going to set this aside. This is going to be the topping for our pasta. Alright, so we have a nice and salted boiling water. So we're going to add our spaghetti. Alright, so next we're going to put our pan over medium heat. And to that we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. To that, I am adding 1 red onion that I've diced up. And we're just going to let that sweat for a bit in that oil. I'm going to add a pinch of paprika. As well as a pinch of dry oregano. Give that a mix. I have 10 cherry tomatoes, which I've sliced into halves. I'm going to add that. Next thing we're going to add are 2 garlic cloves, which I've minced. And we're just going to let that get fragrant, about a minute or so. Next thing we're going to do is add our sardines. And we're just going to incorporate that into everything, just chop it up a little bit. Add our 8 olives, which we have sliced into halves. And these are green olives, pitted. We are then going to go in with 2 tablespoons of capers. We are then going to add a little bit more pepper. Give that a stir. Okay, now we are going to add our pasta into the sardine mixture. And it's okay to get some of that cooking water in there. We are then going to take the zest of a lemon. And we're just going to mix everything again together. Alright, it's time to plate up. I'm going to add our toasted breadcrumbs. And then and the juice of the lemon that we used for the zest. And that is my recipe for sardine spaghetti. I really hope you give sardines a try, and I hope you give this recipe a try particularly. And I will see you next time.